Hey everyone, I'm Sohail. Welcome back to Tech Flyer. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to a text file instantly using a simple online tool. Whether you're working on latex documents or need to edit a text file quickly, this method is super easy and requires no software installation. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to pdf2go.com. This website offers multiple file conversion options, but today we'll focus on converting a PDF to a text file. Now click on the Choose File button. Here you'll see different options like uploading from your device, Google Drive, Dropbox, or even pasting a URL. I'll select From Device and pick a PDF file from my computer. Once you've selected the file, click Open to upload it. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see a Start button. Simply click on it, and PDF2Go will begin converting your PDF to a text file. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your file size. After the conversion is complete, you'll see a Download button. Click on Download to save your text file to your device. Now you can open it in a text editor or latex software and edit it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF to a text file in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share and press bell icon for more tech tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any other conversion tools you'd like me to cover. Thanks.